Hey guys, so if you're a 2024 Indian Catholic bride and you're wondering how to go about with the marriage preparation course, stay tuned because in this video I'll cover all the process and steps required to complete that. So let's get right into it. So first step is enrolling for the course. Now you can easily do that by going on Google, just typing in Snehalaya marriage course. I'll also put the link for the website in the description. Once you go there, you will find all the information that you need to kind of register for the course. There'll be multiple marriage preparation course that you will find, but one that's needed for the wedding is marriage preparation course in person. So once you click over there, you will have the steps that you would need to follow to register. Now you can do this course anytime 12 months to 6 months before your wedding date. I would highly recommend not to wait 6 months before the wedding and to do it much more prior to that, because this course is just the beginning of the paperwork. Okay, once you complete the course, you get the certification and then the paperwork will begin from there. So it's always best to complete all of this early on rather than wait till the end, closer to the wedding date. So once you go there, you would need to you can check all the available dates because the dates open up once every month and it's only on a weekend, on Saturday and Sunday. So whichever date is feasible for you and your fiance, you can book as per those dates. So before filling the form, you would need to make two payments. The first payment is for the course and the second payment is for the catering. So once you make those two payments, you can click on the registration form and submit all the information. Basic details like your name, the groom's name, the date when you want to attend the course, and your preference for meal, and submit the details along with the proof of payment. Now once that is done, the second step you would need to do is collect your baptism certificate. Now it's important that the baptism certificate is not older than 6 months, and usually we don't have the latest one. So you would need to go to your parish office, and usually they give it on the same day, and in some parishes they give it like in a day or two with a minimal amount that they charge around 10-25 rupees or something or so. So once you collect the baptism certificate, you need to keep that with you because that is something that you would need in step 3 when you go to collect your admit card. Now you can collect your admit card from Victoria Church in Mahim. The timings for this on the website is given that it's open up until 5. But on the day we went, we reached around 3:30 and I just happened to call them to check if they're there, and they said that they will be closing the office at 4 p.m. So again, I would highly recommend to call them beforehand and check the timings and then go accordingly. So you need to enter the church in the first floor. There is an office that is there for this. You need to carry some stuff along with you. First thing, photograph of you and the groom. Second is the baptism certificate. If you're marrying a non-Catholic, then their Aadhaar card or birth certificate, and the proof of payment. So the screenshot of the payment that you've made, that would suffice. They will give you a form that you need to kind of fill up with some basic information. And once you fill the form and give it to them, they will give you an admit card. I'll just put up a picture of the admit card somewhere here. So the admit card is needed when you come for the course on the day of the course. Okay, so you need to carry the admit card with you. So that's pretty much it. Now, what to expect from this course? Now, as I mentioned earlier, it's a 2-day course. It's a full day course, so it's from 9 to 5:30. You need to be there at least on the first day at 8:30 p.m. because they have the initial registration over there that happens. So it takes a while, so it's best to kind of be on time. You'll have to attend the full course. It's not like you can attend first half and skip the second half. And the course is honestly wonderful. I really liked a lot of sessions in the course. A lot of important topics related to finance, intimacy, how to have boundaries with family members, extended families, with in-laws, regarding children, and a lot of such topics which I feel are really important and help you understand your partner more was covered during the session. So it's really amazing. And once you're done with it, on the second day they give you like a certificate basis which the paperwork will then begin. I will also be doing a video on that because there's a lot of paperwork that has to happen in both the parishes. So there'll be a detailed video on that coming up soon. But yeah, for today's video, that's pretty much it. Honestly, I hope I covered all the important points. But in case you still have any questions, please do leave in comments below, and I will help answer those. And yeah, all the best for this beautiful journey that you're about to go to. I wish you all the best for that. So I will see you all again soon. Until then, always keep spreading love, positivity, and kindness. Bye.